Hi everybody, back with you at Hood Time Welding today. Today we're going to be working on the Cheshire Cat some more. As you can see, I've got the body all set up here. It's a little bit of a weird shape, but if you look at the picture, the Cheshire Cat's a little bit of a weird shape. Today we're going to be working on the tail here. You can see it starts out as a cone and then widens out. So we're going to go ahead and get working on that. We might not quite have the curve they have in it. It's going to be a little bit straighter, maybe a little tail off on the end. First thing we've got to do is we've got to take this cardboard and we're going to have to get laid out the bottom of the cone. So go ahead and watch me do that. If you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me. Ask any comments or ask any questions in the comments. I'll try to answer them, or just comment it overall. So thanks for watching, and let's get going on this. everybody, so got done with the body and now the tail. I purposely left each one of these because, as you know, the Cheshire Cat, he's got stripes. So I figured that's a good delineation between each stripe. I think it looks pretty cool. Pretty happy with it. Next up is we'll get the side hips on. We'll get them sitting up on a stand. Hands on the front and then the head. So hope you like what I have. If you do, please subscribe and follow, comment. I'll answer anything you got. Thank you.